Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt review. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, so the Schlage Sense works with the HomeKit, or you have Apple TV as well too. It'll work as Bluetooth. It's very easy to set up. This lock, unlock, that's what it's really for. It allows you the ability to do it from your phone. You can add and delete access code, turn on auto locking, which is really recommended if you stepped away and forgot to lock the door. And also you can change in bell and alarm settings as well too. There's 4 AA batteries that's included, and actually in my case it came with door cells, by the way, so it didn't cheap out on the battery at all. Also over here, you notice that the setup, you could pair it to your smartphone through Bluetooth, and you actually could, I mentioned, get a HomeKit and things like that if you want to put it into your smart home environment. The battery, it uses 4 AA batteries that last generally about 6 months or so, depending on usage. It's a lifetime guarantee. There's a little star in it. See limited lifetime mechanical and finish warranty, and 3-year limited electronic warranty inside for full details. So, you also could buy this special device that comes and sold separately that integrates. It's called a Wi-Fi adapter as well too. Then you could have the ability to lock and unlock from your smartphone. So no matter if you have an Android or Apple iOS device, that will work. So I'm not gonna read the HomeKit, but it uses iPhone, iPad, or iPad Touch. The more details: interior and exterior trim with latch assembly, 1 backup Schlage key, installation instructions, by the way, as well, besides the batteries. So I already went ahead and installed this thing already. I actually replaced my Schlage Connect, which is the older one. It looks exactly the same from the inside. So but this one's more smooth. That's what I noticed. When you lock unlock, the mechanism is a lot more smooth. The exterior plate is a little bit different, non-marking fingerprint, so nobody could get your key marking which keys they use. So that's a good thing about the display. At night, you have to hit the Schlage key in order to see the light. See, in the daytime you can't really see it that well, but at night you can see it. In person you can see better. So notice that pressing that will lock it. That's where you lock it. So very smooth, very simple to set up. It's about $200 right now, and you can get it at most online places as well. So I post a link. One thing to note, actually 2 things to note, in fact. The battery cable here is a little bit shorter than the previous one that I have to connect, and also this cover, you gotta be really careful not to break the end piece over there. So those are very fragile, even though it looks really sturdy, but it's very fragile in real life. Just be really careful, not drop it or break the end piece, otherwise the thing won't be that great. I'm gonna show you how to change the battery on this thing first. So you notice that you can't really have much slack to remove it now for the one I have. So just unsnap it. That's all it is. Unsnap it, take it out. So you notice that's very fragile. I don't want to break it either myself. So just unsnap it like that. Then you can take the unit out. I was going to use my nails or something like that to take it out, but while I'm holding the camera on the other side. So it has 4 AA batteries. This is the back. This is how the front looks like. So actually, the 4 AA batteries drop in place, just like that. So you drop it in, then you just put the battery snap back on. Simple as that. We need to change the battery. Notice the lights up. It means there's polarity. And also, if you step away from the deadbolt, auto lock, you can enable that feature. Unfortunately, it's not enabled. Probably because you don't want to lock yourself out, maybe. But you have to type in some pins, some pin code, and also your access code, for example, and it'll lock it. And also your access code, you could change it to 6 digits, for example. That's what we did. Don't use the default. I think the more digits, the more secure the item is. There it goes. You can see that it just locked by itself. All right, so that's one of the great features about this one. Not only for the added security, and it looks good. The battery is 6 months. Mine old one lasted about 4 years and then some. Um, so the display in the front, the panel, you use it so many times, eventually it will break. So, but for 4 years and a little bit over, I think it's definitely worth the money. It's about $200. You can't ask for a whole lot. Very good quality overall. Very impressive. So I'm just gonna open it up. It's really smooth. It's a close-up view, I guess, of it. Okay, so then you lock it. Just hit the Schlage. Oh, I missed it over there. Hit it over there, and it should lock it. It should go really smoothly. That's actually more refined than the previous model I had, but the display eventually will wear out 4 or 5 years or something like that. So when you do the plate over here, make sure you use the long screws. That's something I can advise you on. And that's the part of the door that opens up. So you just replace it in the deadbolt. This doesn't come with the whole set. Keep that in mind. We're using the same piece, so I'm not using the other pieces I have. So that's the review. Pros and cons. Well, easier setup, added security, convenience. Probably the negative is it doesn't last forever. All electronic stuff will eventually fail one day. So this one lasted about 4 years. Is it worth the purchase? Yes, it is. It's my second Schlage one. And maybe say next 4 or 5 years, maybe I have to replace it again. I don't know. But definitely it's a great product. It's very simple, very convenient. And you can control it through your iPhone or Android device. And this one uses the HomeKit. The Connect uses the Z-Wave, by the way. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.